Does integrating solar power into the grid allow us to reduce the use of fossil fuels for energy? Integrating solar power into the grid is a crucial step towards reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. Integrating solar power into the grid can definitely help reduce the use of fossil fuels for energy. Direct displacement: every unit of electricity generated by solar displaces the need for the same amount from traditional fossil fuel sources like coal or natural gas. Solar power can directly displace traditional fossil fuel sources and reduce peak demand during sunny periods. However, there are factors limiting its impact, such as intermittency, grid integration infrastructure, and existing energy system inertia. Technology advancements in solar energy storage are increasing its ability to provide power during off-peak hours, mitigating the intermittency challenge. And public and political support for renewable energy is growing, leading to increased investments and policy initiatives that can accelerate the transition away from fossil fuels.
While challenges exist, integrating solar power is a crucial step in curbing fossil fuel use and creating a more sustainable energy future.
This technology has been around for over 50 years. It shouldn't take this long to incorporate it.